How do eosinophils cause airway inflammation in asthma? Imagine tiny soldiers rushing into the lungs when something triggers asthma. These soldiers are called eosinophils, a type of white blood cell. They play a big role in causing airway inflammation in asthma. When the body detects a threat like allergens or irritants, immune cells send signals to attract eosinophils to the airways. These signals include molecules named interleukin-5 and eotaxin, which act like beacons guiding eosinophils to the lungs. Once eosinophils arrive, they become active and start releasing a variety of substances. These substances include toxic proteins, cytokines, chemokines, and lipid mediators. Each of these plays a part in damaging the airway tissues and making inflammation worse. One way eosinophils cause trouble is through degranulation. They releases granules filled with proteins like major basic protein, eosinophil cationic protein, eosinophil-derived neurotoxin, and eosinophil peroxidase. These proteins can directly harm the cells lining the airways, making them inflamed and more sensitive. They also increase mucus production, which can clog the airways and make breathing difficult. Eosinophils can also form extracellular traps, which are web-like structures made of DNA and proteins. These traps trap pathogens but also contribute to airway inflammation and can lead to the formation of Charcot, Leiden crystals, which are often found in mucus and linked to airway hyperreactivity. Eosinophils produce cytokines such as IL-4, IL-5, and IL-13. These cytokines sustain and amplify the type 2 inflammatory response typical in asthma. IL-5 is especially important because it helps eosinophils grow, survive, and stay active. IL-13 promotes mucus hypersecretion and makes the airways more sensitive to triggers. Eosinophils also releases transforming growth factor beta, which encourages tissue remodeling. This process causes the airway walls to thicken and become fibrous, leading to long-term narrowing and reduced airflow. Lipid mediators like leukotrienes and 15S-hydroxyacetyltreinoic acid are also produced by eosinophils. These compounds further promote inflammation, increase mucus secretion, and heighten airway hyperresponsiveness. All these actions combined make the airways inflamed, swollen, and more reactive to stimuli, which causes the common asthma symptoms of wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath. Treatments that target eosinophils or their signaling molecules, such as anti-IL-5 therapies, can help reduce this inflammation. They are especially helpful for patients with eosinophilic asthma, helping to control symptoms and improve breathing.